Aí pessoal, aqui é a entrada da Praia da Picinguaba. Aí embaixo do vídeo eu vou mostrar pra vocês que quilômetro que é. Olha que vista bonita da Praia da Fazenda lá na frente, ó. Vou mostrar pra vocês como é que é aqui, ó.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But it's too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Aí pessoal, essa aqui é chegando na Praia da Picinguaba. Olha que legal. Olha que praia bonita, ó. Aí pessoal, tô com meus colegas aqui, ó. Meus amigos de caça-pavos selvagens aqui, ó. Vamos explorar a Praia da Picinguaba. Olha aí, ó. Tem essa parte aqui, ó. É bem gostoso de ficar, ó. Tem umas pedras ali. Desse lado aqui, ó, tem um bom espaço, tem umas pedras. Depois tem outro espaço de praia ali, ó. Olha que lugarzinho gostoso de ficar. E aí, o que você tá achando aí dessa praia?
Boa demais,
boa, né? É uma praia meio de tombo, mas não tem onda forte. A areia dela é uma areia grossa. Uma areia bem amarelada. Bem fofinha. Vou mostrar aqui pra vocês. Aqui na Picinguaba tem aquele espaço de praia. Aí atravessa essas praias, essas pedras aqui, ó. Tem escada. Tem outro pedacinho de praia pra ficar, ó. Tem uns barcos parados aqui, ó. Olha que bom pra vir com criança, bem calma. Aí depois tem mais pedras, vamos filmando pra vocês verem, olha que legal. Tem uma sombrinha. Olha que gostoso, pessoal. Tem uma sombrinha aqui embaixo da árvore aqui, ó, de frente pro mar, ó.
Issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
Aqui é a Vila da Picinguaba. E esse aqui é o último espaço de praia que tem, ó. Vai até ali, ó. Olha que legal.
I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Por baixo dá pra voltar mais rápido.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead.
rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day.